said he real, but the nigga counterfeit. Alfred, I knew he wouldn't fit from his outfit. Knew he wasn't about shit, but the cow shit. See y'all loud shit, defest us. Should've whooped his ass last semester, like a molester. Now we in the spot, motherfuckers coming to arrest us. It's him, homie, he them, homie. He gon' tell these pigs where we been, homie. Tender as a tenderoni, only phony motherfucker give us testimony against the big homie. In front of Judge Ito, when he hit the pen, send a torpedo. Leave him on the floor, cuz he can bury 4 of us if he hit the court buzz.
How many niggas gon' tell? How many niggas gon' tell? Damn. How many niggas gon' tell? What you say? How many niggas gon' tell?
To get you an early release out of jail.
4 smirkish niggas in a stoley, about to pull a lick with 30-round clips. They fist the back door, they homie. But he got ring cameras and arsenal like the army. One of the smirkish niggas broad told the homie they finna rob to be prepared and stay woke because they coming for your throat. They homie they finna rob got some commas. Told his girlfriend and his kids to go spend the night at her mama's. Turned off the lights and left the TVs on, so it can look like he was home but he was really gone. He can check the surveillance through his phone. Get notifications when it's on. Driver keep bringing up his newborn daughter. The shooter's wondering if he can hold water, cause his body type is frail. He can't make it in the cell. Like the opposite of his, he gon' tell. Bitch!
How many niggas gon' tell? How many niggas gon' tell? Damn! How many niggas gon' tell? What you say? How many niggas gon' tell?
To get you an early release out of jail.
The main nigga talking about he never tell. Now we flossing in the hood, leaving a paper trail. Lying ass nigga going straight